car wash, yeah. This is the car wash. Yeah, look at the light show. Look at this LED light show they put in here. It's really nice. Here comes the foamies, the tricolor conditioner. Here comes the brushies. This is the dark blue ones, almost like a midnight blue. Almost like a black. Yeah, they're real dark blue. Here comes the side brushes. Fingers are through. Here comes the whackers. Jets. Gotta love that light show. What an experience. And now the lights go out. The last car of the day. Feel that heat. Feels nice. And there you have it. That's the end result. Now we get out and we survey the results. Watch the icing. Beautiful. It's a deluxe car wash if I've ever seen one. It'll turn your car into a brand new car. Alright, that was Kleenies with the deluxe car show in Columbia here. Kleenies car wash. Great job. Watch the ice. Got mashed potatoes and milk because we're going to have a massive snowstorm. So, this weekend. Alright, enjoy everyone.